Friends, this video is very different from the ones that I have been doing so far for you. Uh, this is for a very specific purpose, and the important announcement that I have been telling my friends that I will make is this one. And this is regarding a confession at the beginning, a type of confession that I've been feeling talking to a lot of people whom I have given consultations over the years, that they want to connect more with me, and I am not able to really connect as much with them just because of the volume, the sheer volume, and my time issues. And mostly they want some kind of a assurance from me that in the matter of doing something at a time, something important is coming up in their lives at their work, okay, something potentially stressful or something potentially happy, and they don't want to go wrong there, okay, something very important, critical in their personal life or in their profession, and they want me to tell them when is the best time, and so on, that they have to do it today and tomorrow, what should they do and stuff like that. So though I can't still help all the time with what they can do, unless it is very important, very critical, which I do, okay, but I'm talking that I'm not able to handle the volumes that I would like to. And I've been thinking about this, and I thought that can I do something more than what I'm doing. Okay, so the confession is that I think that I wasn't doing enough that I think I should, okay, with the people, those who have taken consultation from me. I should do more for them, okay. And this applies to people, I mean, who would obviously come later for consultation as well, because somewhere deep down I will have time issues with them as well. And the solution to this is, if I can give right in their hands, for example in a mobile app. This idea came to me roughly 2 years ago, that if they put their date of birth details inside, okay, they set their profile, date, time, place of birth, and the name, they don't have to worry about the best time of the day for them. Can I do that? Yes, of course. This is an astrology skill that every astrologer should have. It's only thing I wasn't able to tell them individually, manually. Now what I have done is, I have been using a system myself, okay, for more than 2 years. 2 years is kind of, I am being very conventional about it. It's like more than like 2.5 to 3 years I've been using it. At least 2 years in exact form, the way I'm doing it today. So this app, which I have called Luck by Astroscience, people are concerned about is it a lucky hour for me or not. And they have a situation at work or in personal life where they have to do something today or tomorrow, that important email, that critical activity, important meeting at work or in personal life, or do something important after office hours in personal life, which which is important, and they don't want to go wrong there. So they would require some kind of a astrological input, whether it's a lucky or not for them. Now please understand, there is something called muhurta, which is nothing but a sequence of time during the day. And some muhurtas means some specific times in the day are good for some specific activities, and some are not good for those activities. But this is not specific to the individual, so long as it is not configured with the person's date, time, place of birth, and the name. It is not personal. Now I wanted to give a personalized solution. People who are connecting with me, they are looking for something personal, not something, okay, what is good muhurta, like Brahma muhurta for remembering God and stuff like that. No. Abhijit muhurta for doing important activity, that's common for all. I mean, in your city, in your office, Abhijit muhurta applies to all. Now you are in a meeting, in a competitive scenario, where you want an edge, okay, over your competitors or whatever, okay. So you need to fire at your best time, okay. when you are going to talk something very important, okay, to your someone in the family, or your whatever, I mean, you are having a relationship with someone, and you want to have all the vibrations in your favor so that you radiate positivity. The other person sees your point and sees the positive side of whatever you're doing, and you, most importantly, you remain positive. Okay, so that is what your best time should achieve, and this is what my mobile app, which I have personally developed, okay, it does. Okay, and its name, as I just said, is Luck by Astroscience. What it does, it just takes your date of birth detail one time, that's it. Fill it, shut it, forget it, that's it. And then whenever you want to pick up the best time of the day to do your most important work of the day in personal or professional life, you just look at it and you get it. That's it. I have made a separate video on how to use the app. Okay, that's the app demo, or you can call it user manual if you like. Okay, the old time word. So you can do that, and it's free to download. There's a paid version, of course, which has got full features. You can see all 24 hours, not just in the work hours, okay, till the late afternoon. So if you need that, you got to buy that app. It's not expensive. In India it is 449, that is 450 bucks, and outside India it is $10, 9.99, okay, in Google App Store. The iOS version, I'm in the process of making it by October. It should be ready. It takes some time to make these apps, right? So this app is not anything fancy. Okay, it doesn't replace horoscope analysis. It doesn't change your luck, the one you are born with. Okay, it doesn't make you Superman or a woman for that matter. It only tells you which is your best time of the day. That's it. And the best color for you in the fortnight, and the best direction for you to face when you're typing that critical email, or making that important phone call, and so on, or meeting, or sitting in an important meeting. So it tells you the best time of the day, or the next day, or the next day. Okay, some important work that you have to do in next 2-3 days. Now you don't have the room to select the best muhurta, the best day, the best tithi. You don't have that. Okay, in day-to-day life we don't always need that we need, okay, only few times a year, maybe not even few times a year perhaps. But what you do need daily is the best time of the day and the worst time of the day to avoid. Just, okay, do the most, the usual work, something which is not critical, and so on. I mean, that kind of, that's not your best time, so just be normal that time. Don't do anything damn important that time. So the app just does only this. It doesn't do more than this. It doesn't do less than this. This is fully configured with your location, okay, the current location where you are presently living. So it takes the time from the sunrise to sunset, and then sunset to sunrise, and it categorizes the time accordingly. Now the astrology behind this is very simple. For those who are interested in the astrology part, I am using the basic elemental level, elemental astrology, the tattva, which is earth, air, water, fire sign. Okay, these are the tattva, right? Packed in a system called Panchapakshi, very popular in Tamil Nadu of south of India. Okay, this is nothing but elemental astrology, astrology of air, water, fire, the basic stuff that we are made up of, and our mind get influenced by. And then the Hora, the Vedic hour, and the Vedic phonetic name. Okay, the phonetics connected with the element represented by your name. So this is fully personalized and configured with your date of birth and your name, and it does everything that is specific to you. It is not concerned about what the general energies are, because when you are living in a city, it doesn't matter how the city is. What matters is how your house is, the circumstances, the conditions at your house. So this app is about your house, not the city, where people talks about the generic things, that Abhijit Muhurta is the best Muhurta of the day for doing work. Yeah, I mean, if your work all the time involves the public, then you may look at that. Okay, perhaps. But these things, don't work in individual cases. Practical experience. Okay, really, if, I mean, it can work. I mean, if you go in details, you'll find that, when it worked, that time it was very good for you personally as well. And this app will tell you that. Okay, what is your best time and what is your worst time. So it categorizes the every time, every half hour, or there are categories of time basically. It rates them as best, good, average, bad, worst in simple language. So this app is not made for someone who has astro knowledge. This is for anyone who is into usual life. But if you're an astrologer, okay, you can see that it's using the lunar mansion, the nakshatra, and the tattva, that is element represented by it, the hora, the Vedic hour, and the vibration of your name. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. So, and beyond which you can't customize for everyone in an app. But this is very effective. I've been personally using it for more than 2 years actually, and exactly this system for 2 years. Okay, 2 very good results. All right. So that's about it, friends. The video to use it, is a separate manual. Separate PDF as well as a video I've made where I have given the demo of the app, how to use it and what it does. And before I leave, one final point: the money that comes from the sale of the regular app, not the Lite, that is free, the regular version app of this, the 30% goes to Google. Okay, and another part goes to Google for the API calls that it makes to its libraries, and whatever is left, keeping aside the cost of maintenance and further enhancement of the app, I will donate to which I've already pledged. I will donate to an organization called Earth Saviors Foundation, which is located in Gurgaon. Pretty old and established one, but they are going through financial crisis now, and our entire family supports this organization. They take care of the old people who are homeless and abandoned. If you can donate, you please donate to that. The link I will share. It's called Earth Saviors Foundation in Gurgaon. Okay, and they are taking very, very spirited care of homeless and abandoned old people, senior citizens. Okay, that's very pathetic that it happens in the world and in India very much. And so that's about it. So this app is I'm not looking to do financially great with this app. What I'm looking for from this app is have maintain a connection with everyone who needs astrology help, those who have taken consultation from me in the past included. Okay, and if the sales help this NGO, which is Earth Saviors Foundation, okay, I will be really satisfied that all the effort that I have made postponing a lot of my consultations in this app, okay, that will have serve its purpose. So that's about it, friends. Thanks for your time. Do download this app from Google Play, and let me know what you think about it and what I need to do more on that. Thank you.